Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI 12T Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this smartphone. Firstly, just open settings. Now scroll down and tap on passwords and security. Then click on face unlock and enter your current login method. Following that, just tap on start over here, wait 5 seconds and choose next in the pop-up. Now keep your face in frame and follow all of those instructions available on your screen. Now you can name your face data however you wish to. I will go with some gibberish and tap on done. Lastly, adjust all of those face unlock settings however you wish to by tapping on the switchers next to them and tap on home button. So now when I turn off my screen and then turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. So all I need to do is swipe up to open my smartphone. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!